Hello again. Well, this is kind of an unboxing video, and the reason I've done it is I've done it quite quickly without listening to the thing, was that I thought, well, that's a pretty good bargain, and I ought to maybe let people know about it. Anyway, I've been looking for a sound bar for a while, and I bought this, and this is the Roku Streambar. It's a bit unusual for a sound bar, and it's also got a 4K streamer built in, and I've got another Roku thing, and I quite like it because it's very platform agnostic sort of stream bar. Because I've also got an Amazon Fire Stick, and basically that sort of shoves Amazon stuff down your throat, I think, and I've got Amazon Prime, and you're clicking through something, you think, oh, I like to watch that, and you find that it's not included in Prime, you got to pay for it all. Anyway, this is hopefully takes a slightly different view, and that all platforms are sort of the same, maybe not. Anyway, this retails normally at $129.99, and I've just checked, and it's on Amazon today in the UK at $59.99, so that's well under half price. And yesterday, for some reason, got another 10% off, so I actually got this for $53.99. But as of today, let's have a look. 10th of June, and it's about 5:30. It's $59.99. And it's quite a well-reviewed thing. Here I've been looking at Stuff TV, and I don't know if you can see this, but Stuff magazine has got it top. I don't know why they have kind of top 10s of things, and they only have 5 of them. I never quite understood this. Anyway, top 10 sound bars. It's there, number 3 at £130. I say, no, 60 now. So let's open it up and see what you get. Now you notice that there's a slight pause there, because I thought I'd cut the bit of sellotape, but clearly I haven't. It's a bit more sturdily put together than that. Right, let's open this thing up. Okay, you get, it looks like that's a quick start guide in English and possibly, I don't know, possibly German. You get the stream bar itself, which I'll open in a minute. Now, you get a HDMI cable, an optical cable, 2 mains adapters, presumably one's for Continental, the power brick, a remote control, and a couple of batteries. Interesting, they seem to be Duracell batteries, not the kind of the usual rubbish you get. So let's have a look at some of the features of this. Well, first thing, as you can see, for a sound bar, it's pretty small, but seems very well made. Yeah, as you can see, it's got sort of a flat front and is slightly angled. And apparently there's 4 speakers in this. So you've got 2 facing front and 1 each side at an angle to try and give it sort of an enveloping surround sound sort of field. On the back, looks like these are 2 sockets for if you want to attach it to the wall. There is a power inlet, an optical inlet, presumably that's for older TVs. There's a HDMI, and that's ARC HDMI, so as well as sending the stream up to the TV, you can actually get the sound back. There is a USB-A socket, and I believe that's so you can put a USB stick of tunes if you want to. I'm not sure I use it for that. There we are. And a reset button. If you look at the remote control, there are so it's got standard, pair on and off, home, back, a 4-position sort of joypad. There's a little microphone there, because you can talk to this thing, forward, back, and there are 4 so hotkeys for Netflix, Google's Play, Spotify, and Rakuten TV, which I've not particularly ever tried myself, that one. When I say I think platform agnostic, what they do is, I imagine, they get sponsored to put these specific hotkeys on here. But quite a well-made thing, so I'm going to have a listen to that. But that's the unboxing, and I thought I'd do that quickly because I say it seemed like a pretty good deal. I mean, I say I got this for $53.99, and if you, by the time you bought the HDMI cable, you bought an optical cable, and you bought a couple of Duracell batteries, that's probably getting on for £20 itself. Also, I think it's a 4K streamer, and their 4K streamers are about £30. Anyway, there we are. I hope that's been of interest here. I'll see what it's like and maybe let you know. Next up, I think I've also come today from eBay is I've got a NAD 3020 amplifier to review, or maybe it isn't, so it'll be interesting to see. Anyway, if you're interested in that, subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching.